The word ecosystem, what does it mean? It means the interdependence of life. The trees, the rivers, the air, the mountains, the animals, the humans, all are connected. You cannot harm one without harming the other. But we, the modern man, have started living as if we are separate from the whole. We exploit nature, we pollute rivers, we destroy forests, and yet we complain that there is no peace, no happiness, no balance. The ecosystem is not outside you. It begins with you. The way you live, the way you consume, the way you think. That is your ecosystem. When your inner environment is polluted with greed, with fear, with endless desire, how will your outer environment remain pure? You plant trees but keep your mind full of lust and anger. What will you get? Even your actions for saving nature will come from ego, from fear of climate change, from guilt, not from love. And anything born out of fear or guilt cannot create beauty. We talk about saving the planet. Who are we to save the planet? The planet has existed long before man appeared. It doesn't need us to save it. It needs us to stop destroying it. The arrogance that we will save the earth, that arrogance itself is the problem. The earth is sacred. Rivers are not just water bodies, they are life-flowing. Trees are not just oxygen machines. They are beings that breathe and serve silently. Animals are not commodities. They are companions in this great play of existence. When you see everything as separate, you exploit. When you see everything as one, you care. The root cause of ecological destruction is not technology, not industry. It is ignorance. Man does not know who he is. Because he doesn't know himself, he feels incomplete. To fill that inner hollowness, he consumes, hoards, kills, destroys. Look at your life. How much do you really need? Yet how much do you demand? Every extra thing you buy, every unnecessary luxury you run after, it has a cost. Somewhere, a river is being poisoned, a forest is being cut, an animal is losing its home. You might not see it, but it is happening. Saving the ecosystem is not a project. It is a way of living. It is not about slogans or campaigns. It is about sensitivity. A sensitive person cannot pollute. A person who is aware cannot waste. Awareness itself is the greatest environmental act. You don't have to join an organization to serve the earth. Start with your daily life. Watch your consumption. Watch how many things you desire that you do not need. Watch how much you waste in food, water, electricity, plastic, thoughts. Live simply. Simplicity is ecology. When you walk with awareness, you hurt less. When you eat with awareness, you waste less. When you think with awareness, you live more harmoniously. That is real ecological balance, not only outside, but within. You see, the destruction of nature and the destruction of human consciousness are not two separate things. The polluted river and the restless mind are both results of ignorance. When the mind becomes quiet, compassionate, intelligent, nature will heal itself. So if you really want to save the ecosystem, don't start from the outside. Start from your own heart. Let there be gratitude when you breathe. This air is a gift. Let there be humility when you drink water. This water has passed through countless lives to reach you. Let there be reverence when you look at a tree. It stands silently giving while you take endlessly. This attitude of reverence, of seeing the sacred in all, is the foundation of ecological wisdom. Technology can only reduce pollution. Awareness can dissolve it. Remember, nature is not your property. It is your body. The forest is your lungs. The river is your blood. The soil is your skin. The sunlight is your warmth. When you destroy them, you destroy yourself. Let this understanding sink deeply. Saving the ecosystem is not a moral duty. It is intelligent living. When intelligence awakens, balance comes naturally. Then you don't need to force yourself to protect nature. You become protection itself. So, don't fight for the earth. Live in harmony with it. Don't shout slogans. Understand your oneness. The more you understand, the less you destroy.